welcome back to my channel Himanshi's Days. You know what? This lockdown period has been a dream come true for me because I always wanted a job where I can work from home without losing any money from my pocket. Like me, there are some other people also in the world who wants to have this kind of job, and sometimes it is our family issues who forces us to stay inside our home and to work from there. So in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 different types of job where you can work from home without losing any money. So let's get started. So agenda for today's video will be A. I'll show you online how to search for a job, and B. extra pointer for your communication and vocab. But hey, before starting, please hit the subscribe button now and please press the black thumb blue if you like the video. So I'll just open Google for you and we will type work from home jobs. So this is my Google page and I'll type here work from home jobs. See, I have already searched it here, so it is giving me an option. You can type it also. So this is work from home jobs. Here you have several options. You can go into any of these websites and you can look for it. But if you go down, you will find Naukri.com. So I'll just click this one. It will redirect you to this page, and in this page I will be showing you 5 different types of job which you can have. So you can see here the first job which I am going to talk about is this one, domestic vice process to work from home for BPO process. I'll just open this for you. See, it says Sales Pitch Technologies Private Limited is hiring for 0 to 2 years. Job location is Delhi and NCR. When I say job location is Delhi and NCR, it basically means you will be working from home, but sometimes maybe once in a month you might need to travel to the office. So it is a work from home job only, but they only give you the location where they check if it is an emergency, can you travel to that location or not. So the basic requirement for this type of job is, they say graduates and undergraduates are eligible. So business process development or BPO process development, it is kind of a BPO or KPO where you have to generate leads, you have to handle the clients' problems and give solutions to them. So it is a job which is easily available. Sometimes salary is too good, and they also give you incentives also depending on your performance or whatever targets they set. Okay, the second job which we have is personally my favorite. I'll just do the modified search for you. See, here you go in the modified section and it is already there, work from home. Here after work from home, I'll just write recruitment and enter. So I personally feel this is a job which is personally my favorite for MBA graduates. They are not deviating from their field, they are working on their specialized area. The best part about work from home job is flexibility. You get flexible hours and you have incentives related to these jobs where you can actually earn good amount of money. One more thing which I want to mention here is Amazon is hiring for recruiters for their Chennai location. The next type of job is educational consultant. The qualification required for this job is again graduate or postgraduate. It is a kind of sales job and it basically works on incentive schemes and some fixed salary where you have to sell their product like certification courses, or sometimes you have to motivate people to take admissions in their colleges, or basically selling their educational products. So again, it is a kind of job where people are interested in sales, they can go for it. It is a reputed job. The next job is for mass comm graduates. If you are good in writing and you want to have a career in content writing or copyright writing, you can go for this job. Sometimes they might ask you for a sample piece of your writing. You can submit it, and if you're selected, then you are good to go. Last one is little tricky because you will find this job in abundance, and most of the time it is entitled as data entry job. But the problem here is the payment. Some of my friends have applied for this job and till date they have not got their payments. So when you're applying for it, make sure that you have verified all the details and you have gone through with the extensive background check. If you want to know more about this topic, let me know about this in the comment section. We'll make another video about how to verify these jobs. So these jobs are labeled as data entry job, data cleaner job, data operator job. So it is a good option, but you have to be little careful about it. Now coming to the section of extra pointer for communication and vocab. Today I'll be giving you golden rule for email writing. When you're writing an email, the subject for an email has to be descriptive and specific. Basically, when you're writing a subject, it is evoking an action from the sender. So when you're writing a subject like good morning, hi, hello, interview, they are not telling a prospect anything about the content. So why to open such kind of email? So when you're writing an email, you have to see that you're not mentioning any URL there, and it has to be specific about what you're going to mention in that subject. So let's take an example. Subject line for the application of job can be applying for the post of data modeler. So here you have mentioned what is the purpose, that is application. You are sending your resume for which post? Data modeler post. That's the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do it now, and please press the black thumb blue if you like the video, and drop in your comments if you have any query about email writing or anything about a video which you want me to answer. Let me know. Thank you. Signing it off. Bye bye.